Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp web is not connected to the phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If your WhatsApp is having issues into the web, you just simply have to check your internet connection at first, and if your internet connection is alright, the second thing might be the cluttered cache of the browser. Now in order to fix that issue, you just simply have to tap into this icon, and after tapping into there, you just simply have to click into this I button, and after clicking into the I button, it will show the cookies and site data option. Just simply click into cookies and site data and click to this dustbin icon and then click to delete. Then your browser cookies and site data will be deleted, and try to reopen the WhatsApp web again and it will probably be connected. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.